Okay, there. What have we got now, Kalina?
Pear.
It's a nice pear. Let's see what happens. Oh, make a prediction.
I think it's gonna sink.
You think it's going to sink? Okay, let's test it out. What's it doing?
Sinking.
Is it completely sunk?
It's the top bit with the stalk is at the bottom, but not the bottom bit.
So it's not quite touching, but it's.
So the top bit is touching, but the bottom bit isn't. Look.
Okay, so I would say that was a pretty sunken, but not as fast as some of the other things have sunk. Okay, we've got one more to go.
Apple.
What is it? Sorry, darling?
Apple.
It's an apple.
Can we both do it?
No, you've got other things to do, my darling, so let's get this one done. Anya, make a prediction, sink or float.
Float.
And? I can't see because your head's in the way. Let's move. Oh, it's definitely floating. Wow, that's floaty-tastic. Okay, well done, girls. Now we've got an extra bonus video to do. We're going to do a bit more air pressure using these soda cans. Aniela's quite excited about that. Yes, that you can drink soda water. It doesn't have to be any particular type, but we're going to see how air pressure works. Right, here we go. I've relieved myself of the cameraman job, and now I'm going to do a bit of the experiment. I can't get the children to do this one. Don't try this one at home. Okay, so what I'm going to first do, Kalina, come over this way a little bit. I'm going to put the can in this water. I'm just going to get a little bit of water in the bottom, okay? And now, can you hear it at the bottom? A tiny bit more. I'm going to heat it up on top of the stove. There we go. Oh, turned it round, darling. You can't turn it round. You can only use the front camera at the moment because otherwise it doesn't work. So Kalina's going to turn on the stove for us.
This one?
It's the one at the back. Okay, it's a light. You can stop the clicking. Hold the gas for a second. And then I'm going to pause it again when it starts to heat up. That's right, I'll unpause it again when it starts to heat up. Okay, as you can hear, it's starting to go a bit spluttery. It's been about a minute so far. I'm still heating up my can from the bottom, and we've still got the washing up bowl filled with cold water. Now, as the water particles inside the can are heated up, they will start to move faster and faster. That means they're hitting the inside quicker. The air particles inside are going to move faster and faster as well, and they will start coming out the top because there's still a hole in the top. The water particles are going to turn into steam, into gaseous water, and they're going to start coming out the top too. And so eventually they'll get to a point of equilibrium where the number of particles on the outside hitting the outside is just like it is at the moment, the same as the number of particles that are hitting the inside. But the particles on the inside are going to be hitting the inside quite fast because they're hot, and the ones on the outside are going to hit them quite slow. Let's pause until we get to a boiling point. Okay, we've resumed. Okay, so we've got the camera. I've got my big wrench here. I'm going to grab hold of the top of the can. I'm going to turn the can upside down and cool it down really fast in this tub of water we've been using for the fruit. Now, if we're lucky, that will mean that the gas particles will get much colder in this, so they'll come closer together. Because they're coming closer together, there'll be less of them hitting the inside of the jar, because we're at there'll be a lower pressure on the inside. The pressure on the outside should, just move my daughter backwards a little bit, because she's just got quite excited at the prospect, and move her finger off the camera. It should mean that the can gets pushed on the outside more than on the inside. So let's see what happens. Ready? Myth countdown. 3.
5.
Okay, we're going to start from 5. Okay, 5 it is.
1, 2, 3.
No, it's count down, not count up.
Same thing.
Go on then, Daniela. 5,
9,
4, 3,
3,
2,
4,
1. How was that? What do you think, girls?
It's good for crunching up bottles.
It's good for crunching up cans, apparently, or bottles. Okay, so that was the last air pressure demo for the day. Okay.
And then you can throw it away.
Okay, now we can throw it away. Recycle it, I suppose. Okay, have a lovely day, girls. Going to say cheerio?
Cheerio.
Bye.